Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find your live watched videos in Facebook on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to the Facebook website. Step 2. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, click on your profile photo located in the top right corner to open your profile. Step 3. Next, click on the Photos tab on your profile page. Step 4. Look for the 3 dots icon and click on it to access additional options. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select Activity Log to view your activity on Facebook. Step 6. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Scroll down and click on Your Activity across Facebook. Step 7. Now, click on the Posts option to filter your activity specifically related to posts. Step 8. Lastly, click on Live Videos You've Watched to see a list of the live videos you have watched on Facebook. And there you have it. You've successfully found your live watched videos on Facebook using your PC. Remember, this feature allows you to revisit and enjoy the live videos you've watched in the past. It's a great way to relive those memorable moments. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.